Hi YouTubers, today's video I'm just going to show you how to replace a battery in a VW Passat B7 Key. First of all, we want to take out the plastic key inside using a little tab there to push in and pull it out. Next, we want to hold the key in one hand and push firmly till here, click, then you can pull it off. Next, we want to get any tool to pry that open. As so. Change the battery. We just want to get that under, slide that back in, put the case on, clip it back in, turn it over, make sure it turns on. If you can see that little red light, yeah, you should be good to go. Thanks for viewing.